Still doesn't help us, okay? So I say Command Z, I then click on this image again, and I go to speed. You see what it says normal. I can make it slow, okay? So let's just take it and let's take it and make it 50% of the speed, okay? That should be about your standard. Now, if we look at it, we click here, we'll show you this. Now we can sit and we can talk about a to the n is a times a times a to the nth number of times. A to the naught is equal to 1. Any number to the naught is equal to 1. Boom, boom, you see? So now let's delete this one over here. And we're talking about revision of exponents next. So I like that sort of speed, but I'd like it to be even slower. So I'm going back here and I put it at 25%. Because it's very important that the kids understand these sort of exponential rules. That's why I've written nota bene over there. Okay, these are your sort of basic rules. Once your sound is in, you can also quickly drag this back over here, drop it in. Okay. Once you're sorted with your sound, just remember you've got to click here, click on your sound, reduce background noise, 100% flat. If you look at those bars over here, they changed. I'll click Control Z, Command Z, and you'll see them jump back. So if we do that again, change it from flat, just watch the bottom left over here. It kills a lot of the big background noise. Once you're done with your video and you've placed your adverts sort of overlay on top, because it looks like this now. You see, without it, you can't see anything, but then all of a sudden it's there and it's popping up advert the whole time. Okay. Once you're done, click the top right hand corner like this, and you click File. You then go to Resolution, and you hit just lowest resolution, your lowest quality, and your fastest compression. You then get a nice small size. Otherwise, if you look at 1080p and you look at high quality, you jump all of a sudden to such a large file size. So I'm going to keep it low as always, because most people watch on their mobile phone. You then click Next, and you put your name, and it will download into one of your folders. You literally just click Save, and it will start working. You can check your progress up top right over here. As you can see, the exponent rules, MP4, and how much time it will take. If you feel, oh, you know what, I need to cancel something, and I want to recheck something, you just click on this button over here, and it'll cancel it for you. And that, in a nutshell, is how to work it.